Hi dancers, it's Miss Cassidy. So today I'm going to show you how to make a lollipop. So I'm going to start by showing you the materials you'll need. So you will need a piece of colored paper. The first lollipop I did was green, but now I'm going to do a pink lollipop, and you can choose any color you want. You will also need a piece of cardboard. I used a Kleenex box, a tissue box, but you can also use anything that's just a little thicker than paper, so any kind of cardstock paper. But once you have your paper and your cardboard, you will need something round to trace, and you will need a pencil to trace it with. Once you trace your circles, you will need scissors to cut them out with. Make sure you have safety scissors and make sure your parents are watching you. You will also need glue sticks, but if you don't have glue, I would say you can use tape. Glue or tape will work. And then lastly, you will need a popsicle stick. So that's all the materials we'll be needing, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is trace a circle, but I'm not going to do it right in the middle because I'm actually going to need two circles for the front and the back. Okay, that came out pretty nicely. Okay, two circles. Now I'm going to cut them out. What I'm going to do next is glue the pink paper onto the cardboard. Now we're going to do the other side. Okay, I think that looks good. So what we're going to do next is glue the popsicle stick onto the lollipop, and I would suggest taping it too. And you always want to make sure to put the cap back on the glue stick so it doesn't dry out. And now we have finished our lollipops. And you just might want to check that the edges are glued down nicely and they're not coming up. And if you want, you can decorate your lollipop. I hope you had fun making your lollipops, and I will see you next week. Bye everyone.